Hello everyone. In today's video, we're gonna talk about accounting and bookkeeping for information technology industry. This will be the few topics we'll cover in this video. We'll start with revenue and sales tracking, then expenses management, then cash flow management, then asset management, tax compliance, project costing, employee payroll and their benefits, inventory management, account receivable and payable, and financial statements. So let's start with revenue and sales tracking. In this, you have to keep a close eye on your company's revenue and your sales revenue. Like if you are selling some softwares, or if you are providing some services, and if you are a IT industry that provides consultancy and some maintenance contracts, that all your sales or your revenues has to be recorded properly and as per their categories. Now, expenses management. In expenses management, you have to monitor and categorize your expenses accurately, so there won't be any error. Like the expenses of your company would be your employee salaries, your software development life cycle expenses, your hardware purchases of the company, office rentals, utilities that you are doing, and some marketing campaigns that you are doing for your company, and other operational expenses. That all will be recorded appropriately and correctly, so there won't be any error happen or there won't be any missing transactions. Cash flow management. In this, you have to maintain a healthy cash flow by tracking your incoming and outgoing funds, and this will include your managing accounts like receivable accounts and payable accounts. And this, you have to ensure that your business has enough liquidity to operate smoothly. And if there is any necessity to adjust your funds, you can do that easy by your cash flow management. Asset management. In asset management, you have to keep a record of your IT assets, including your computers, your servers, if you are having some software licenses and your other networking equipments. You have to track all this. You have to track all these assets and their depreciation and maintenance cost. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you have to stay up to date with the latest tax regulations specific to your IT industry, and you have to ensure that you are properly accounting for the taxes such as sales taxes, payroll taxes, and your income taxes. Project costing. In an IT industry, project costing is a very crucial thing. If your IT company takes a project, okay, then you have to track all the cost of its project and the revenue you will generate by them separately. So this will help you to evaluate the profitability of each project, and this will also help you to make the pricing decisions. So what will be your pricing strategies? If your project making cost is high, then you have to adjust that pricing on the basis of that. Now, employee payroll and benefits. In this, you have to maintain accurate payroll records, including your salaries, employee salaries, their bonuses, if they are having any benefits by you, if your company giving them some perks like lunch and etc. You have to record all of them for your IT staff. And please ensure that this all are compliance with the labor laws and regulations. Inventory management. In inventory management, if you sell some physical IT equipments or software licenses, like if you are selling some chips, or if you are selling computers or some keyboards, like all that stuff, then you have to manage your inventory effectively to avoid overstocking or stockouts. And also you have to regularly reconcile your inventory records with your physical counts, so there won't be any error or there won't be any missing things. Account receivable and payable. In this, you have to keep track of your outstanding customer payments, your account receivables, and your vendor invoices, like the account payable, the payment you have to pay for your, if you are having some services outside from your firm. And make sure that you timely collect all the payments that are essential for your cash flow management. Financial statement. Every company has a financial statement that provides a vision into the company's financial health. So in this, you have to prepare your financial statements such as your income statement, some balance sheets, and your cash flow statements regularly, so you can have a look at your IT business financial health. Here are some key performance indicators that are commonly used in the information technology industry to measure the performance and track success of your industry. So let's start with customer satisfaction. In customer satisfaction, you have to measure your customer satisfaction level through some surveys or through the feedbacks, and you also have to ensure that the services you've been providing to your client is as per their expectations. They has to be as per their expectations, so they will be happy with your services. Service level agreement. In this, you have to monitor your performance against the SLAs to ensure that you are meeting the contractual obligations for response times, uptimes, and service qualities. Like you are meeting the client's expectations and you are working as per that. Profit margins. In profit margins, you have to track gross and net profit margins to assess the profitability of your IT services and products. Client retention rate. This indicator calculates the percentage of clients who continue to use your services over time. And if a client has a high retention rate towards your company, this will indicate their loyalty towards your company. Project timeliness. In project timeliness, this indicator measures the on-time delivery of your projects to access the management efficiency. What projects you've been doing and how you've been delivering. If you are delivering it on time, if you are making it delay, so this all will be included in this project timeliness. Employee productivity. This indicator evaluates the productivity of your employees by tracking their working hours, their project, how many projects they have completed, their ticket results, etc. That all will be included in employee productivity. Revenue growth. This indicator monitor your revenue year per year. In the past years, how much you have grown. This indicator will calculate that, and it is important for your expansion of your IT businesses. Cost per ticket. This indicator calculates the average cost to resolve a customer support, and it also helps you to optimize your support operations. Sales funnel conversion rate. This indicator tracks the conversion rate at each state of your sales funnel to improve the efficiency of your sales process. How good your sales process is, how streamlined your sales process is, and how convenient it is for the customers. Now, the last, IT security metrics. IT security metrics always play a very crucial role when it comes to an IT company. So this indicator monitors the cyber security of your industry as per the number of the incidents happen in your industry. If there is any breaches, if there is any vulnerability in your company, this all will be calculated as per the rates to ensure your data protection. Thank you and have a nice day.